What if I tell you that you can take long video formats and make them into clips in the matter of seconds or 1 minute, and you can have multiple clips, you can edit them very easy by just using AI. I'm going to teach you guys today how to use an AI tool that you're going to save a lot of money, a lot of time, and anybody can do it, even people that are not video editors, where you are saving a lot of time by taking like a long video, a long podcast they did, a long YouTube video, and let AI choose the best clips for you, for your shorts, for your reels. And it's not going to be me, it's actually going to be teaching this one of my editors that actually utilizes this and saves our agency a lot of hours, a lot of time and money to actually add a long video format. So I'm letting it to him.
How long do you think it took me to make this video?
Surprised at what you find. Tip 3. Use the 3 MITs method. MITs equals most important tasks. Each morning, write down the 3.
Probably like 5 to 6 hours. How about this thumbnail? How long do you think it took? Like 2 hours, 3 hours? Well, that's not even close. Let me show you. Welcome back to the Expand to Market AI course. I realized in our excitement to get started in the first video, I completely forgot to introduce myself. Please, excuse my manners. My name is Wesley, and I have the pleasure of leading the AI department here at Expand to Market. I've been with this incredible team for 4 years now, with a journey in artificial intelligence that dates back to its very beginning. Speaking of practical experience, today we're exploring a tool that revolutionizes content creation. It's called OpusClip, an AI designed to intelligently transform your long-form videos into engaging short-form content. And its capabilities don't stop there. Let's dive right in. Now that we're in OpusClip, after we have logged in, we go to our channel, or any channel, doesn't really matter, and we pick a video. In our case, I'm picking Albania's secret city. We copy it, drop the link here, and click Get Free Clips. It will open this tab. Okay, so we choose our template. I'll choose this one because I really like it. Clip length. Let's choose about 60 seconds to 90 seconds. So here we can choose our genre. This is a vlog. Let me find it. Vlog, clip model, clip anything, let AI detect, and just click Get Clips in one click. We need to wait about 7 minutes for this, and I'll catch you right when it's finished. You also have Master OpusClip in here, 5 videos that will learn you more about OpusClip to master it. So while we wait for this to finish, I will show you a very interesting OpusClip feature. We click here, OpusClip thumbnail, which is free for now. So let me drop another video. How can you work 4 hours a week? Share, copy link, put the link in here, generate thumbnail. Now we wait for this to finish. It takes like less than 3 minutes. So our thumbnail is ready. It's not the best in the world, I have to be honest with you, but for 5 seconds of work, I'll take this any day of the week. And speaking of which, our clips are now ready, and I'm so excited. It's my first time seeing them. Reaction, will be honest with you. Okay, hidden gem, why you need to visit Fier Albania now. Okay, this is amazing. Like, I literally worked for 10 seconds in this. Okay, so that's not all. You can edit the video however you like. So let's say, for example, it misspelled a caption, in which this case has not. It has done a perfect job with the captions, so I don't have to change anything. Okay, let's check another video. Fier Albania budget travel secret. Okay, that gives us some value.
Here is the perfect day trip or overnight stop between Beira, Vlora, and the coast. And what's most surprisingly is cheap.
So this is amazing, but I saw that it misspelled some words, but it's okay because we can fix it here. Fear of Flora and the coast. Laura, it's not correct. It should be Vlora. But even with this misspelled, it has done a pretty amazing job in captions and like video clips. Like, this is amazing. Another thing that I should mention is, for example, you want to professionally edit this video. You click it, you download export XML, and we wait for it to finish. It will take like 10 to 15 seconds. It works just as good as any other editing tool, just that it does all of the work itself. Let's say, for example, I don't like this part from here to here. I can manually delete it. Let's say I don't like this part also. I also can delete it. I can add different transitions, crossfade, for example, cross zoom. It has everything any other editing tool has, just that it does most of the work for you. Another thing that you can do in OpusClip, you have a calendar here to schedule all of your clips, all of your posts for social media. You have analytics in here when you can upload your social media and it will give you AI generated analytics. You have social accounts. In here you can add all of your accounts, so it implies to the analytics one. It's pretty amazing, to be honest. And for the price of it, like...
Thank you, Wesley, for this tutorial. It was amazing. You outdid it yourself again. And if you guys want to learn a little bit more about not just one AI, but multiple AIs and how you can use these AIs and agents to really grow your business, to really save time, to really utilize it to the max. So not only you, but your team can use it and actually grow. If you have a marketing agency, grow your sales, grow your leads and prospects, views, anything. We actually provide customized one-on-one solutions, but also like coaching and consulting, so you don't have to be in the dark. You don't have to spend hours and hours of research and be experts, but we have done that hours for you. So feel free to check the link below in the bio of how you can book a 30-minute consultation with me and see how we can help best your agency or company to beat the competition with AI and automation.